Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, put fresh batteries in the universal remote, and turn the LG TV on. This matters because the TV must receive signals while you program. Once done, press and hold the remote setup or code button until its LED lights. This puts the remote into programming mode so it can learn or accept a code. Make sure you have the remote's code list or are ready to use auto search. That choice determines the next sequence of button presses. Now you either enter the LG code manually or run the auto search. If using a code, type the 3 to 5-digit number, then press the TV key to lock it. The LED will blink to confirm. This is how the remote stores the signal mapping. If you choose auto search, press the TV button repeatedly as the remote cycles codes. Stop immediately when the TV responds because that indicates a matching code. Then test power and volume to verify full control. If not working, try the next code. Finish by saving the code exactly as your remote's manual directs, usually by pressing Setup or OK. Then comprehensively test power, volume, input, and menu to confirm functionality. If some buttons don't work, clear the remote's memory and repeat the process with the next code. Sometimes newer LG models need a different code set. Troubleshooting tip: replace batteries, ensure a clear IR path between remote and TV, and try codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.